I'm at South Mountain. It's so peaceful out here. Um, you still get people trying to invade your personal space, but it's different. It's not where like there's just a mob of people around. Um, there's just a handful, and it seems normal when it's like this. But it's really beautiful out here. I encourage you all to get out in nature, to keep living your life. It's so funny. I always know if someone's being targeted because when they're making videos, you always hear the noise campaign in the background. It's so funny. That's how I know